All right, RestoMods Car Club members, Cobra fans, we finally have a winner for the Factory 5 Cobra, and that winner is Otto Stiefel. He is from Temecula, California, and I'm gonna give him a call. Hi, is this Otto?
Yeah.
Hi Otto, this is Mike from RestoMods. You signed up to either win the Factory 5 Cobra 427 or $35,000 in cash. You're the winner.
You're shitting me, dude.
I'm not shitting you, dude.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna give you the option: Factory 5 Cobra 427 or $35,000. What do you think?
Oh, the car.
You gonna take the car?
Oh yeah.
That's awesome. That's great to hear. We'll get back in contact and then we'll come see it. Thank you very much.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye. He's gonna take the car. For everybody else who's been following around, I'm sorry, but what we do have for you, the 1966 Chevelle Super Sport 427 TurboJet. Get your chance. Sign up at RestoMods.com. Good luck.